Alright, so today guys, I'm going to be changing the engine mounts on this 2006 Acura TL. It's my sister's car. So we're going to change this mount right here, and we're going to change the front mount. Alright, so I'll show you guys how to do that. So you can see how damaged this passenger side mount is when you put the car into drive. The engine moves a lot, so I'll show you guys how to fix that. So before you start, you want to confirm that you have the right mounts. So this is the passenger side mount, so it goes right here, and then this is the front engine mount, which goes obviously in front here. So to get started, jack up your car or put them on jack stands or ramps, whatever works for you. Put this jack with a piece of wood right on the oil pan. So take out the power steering reservoir. You just pull it, push it to the side. You're gonna take out this coolant reservoir, which is just a 10 mil right here. Took out this ignition, just so it's out the way. And then you should be able to just wiggle the mount all the way up and out of here, and then same way back down. That's that one bolt. I'm just gonna use this to get the two bottom bolts down there. Fuck. Before I drop that bolt. It's like this. It's like this, two bolts, and then the 10 mils right here. So that's what I just took out. You use this big impact. I don't have anything else, so it's very overkill, but you know. Bruh, I gotta start getting Amazon shit, yeah. Cheap Amazon stuff. Holy. Hold it? Yep. I don't really feel like torquing, so just make sure it's tight, that's all. So that one's pretty much good. I just gotta tighten down these bolts now. That's all. So I got two bolts on this bracket here. Just comes out. Just like that. Use this. Search. There you go. Holy. It actually worked. One time shit actually goes as planned, you know? It's the thing with cars, you know, you just gotta like have patience, but sometimes I don't be having patience, you know? That's how you get frustrated and just never get anything done. So you just gotta take your time with things. I wish I had a thing ratchet. It's okay. I guess I could take this out, but it's the bowl right here. Just got it out. So now I'm gonna go and take out these ones right here. It's 4 all around the corners. So I'll get to that right now. Take out the hose at the bottom. There. Oh. This is why I didn't want to do that. But it does make it easier. So you can see this one was all messed up. So what you gotta do is take this cover, just like so. Just like that. Then we're gonna fish it down there. So it sits in the thing like this. This is how it sits. So this is facing the front. Put this on after. Strip. What happened? I'm trying to get the last bolt in it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got it. I had to shift over. Next time I do this, I'm gonna do the harder one first. So then the other bolts I can just, because the holes weren't lining up. So then I have to loosen all of them